Hi Laurie.
Hi Dan.
Welcome to the Smart Things Homes London, and we're here to unbox and assemble the new Bespoke Jet AI. Shall we see what's in the box?
Let's do it.
Okay, so we'll start off with the main body of the vacuum cleaner. So there's a new Hexajet motor here, delivers up to 280 watts of suction power, all using AI technology. Okay, that's our telescopic pipe. So really for comfort, so if you're a tall person, you can extend the pipe and you can vacuum really nice and comfortably. Okay. Clicks on, nice and simply. That's the first of our brushes. So this is the active dual brush. So if you're going to be vacuuming multiple surfaces, for example, hardwood floor, moving onto a carpet, the perfect accessory. Okay, and again, just clicks on, nice and simply. There you go, almost ready to vacuum. Power.
Just need power. We've got two batteries.
Okay, yeah, and this is, again, it's really for convenience. We've got the smaller battery, which will deliver 60-minute runtime, and then the high capacity battery, a little bit heavier, a little bit bigger, will deliver 100-minute runtime. So 160-minute runtime combined. Okay, let's put that one on. We have power. We're ready to vacuum. Okay, while I'm vacuuming, you can have the other battery on charge. So you can have a full battery charge and you can interchange them as and when you need to. Okay, and then we've just got a range of different accessories, again, for convenience. So we've got the long Reach Crevice Tool, ideal if you want to get to those hard to reach places, maybe in your car, down the sides of the sofa. And then we've got the combination tool. I use this for vacuuming skirting boards, for example. And we've got a nice brush on there, so it's not going to damage or scratch your paintwork. And then it's the flexi tool. So all those hard to reach places, it's quite difficult to vacuum shelves, for example. You can handle this at 90 degrees, which means you can vacuum high surfaces with ease. Okay. And there's nothing worse than when you're vacuuming, you have to keep going back and finding new accessories. So we also supply a cradle. So this is an accessory cradle. You can house all of your accessories on there, all of your brush heads, so you can take your accessories with you as you vacuum your whole house. So this is the second head. So this is the slim LED brush. Ideal if you're just going to be vacuuming hard surfaces. Got that nice little soft roller on there. The pet tool. Have you ever tried vacuuming pet hair? It's a nightmare. This has got little rubber fins on here, so if you've got pet hair on your sofa, it basically drags and pulls those hairs from the surfaces. So perfect accessory if you've got pets. And then we've got the clean station. So this is really what sets this product aside from the others on the market. Unique to Samsung. Serves two purposes. First of all, you can house your vacuum cleaner. Once it's docked, it will charge the battery, but also we use pulse technology, which sucks and draws all of the dust particles out of the bin there. Okay, so that is our Bespoke Jet AI.